Welcome to GemSpace. Today I'm gonna tell you about India's best markets for gemstone beads. India has been known for its rich culture and vibrant traditions, and one aspect that stands out is its love for beads. The country is home to some of the world's most exquisite and diverse beads, making it the best market for bead enthusiasts. From delicate seed beads to sparkling gemstone beads, India offers various beads that cater to every taste and budget. These beads are not only used in traditional Indian jewelry but are also popular among designers and artisans worldwide. With its long history of bead making, India has established itself as a hub for high-quality and authentic beads. The tradition of beadwork in India is not just a craft, it's a historical narrative woven through the centuries. Dating back to the Indus Valley Civilization, one of the world's earliest urban cultures, beads have played a significant role in Indian society. Made from various materials such as gold, silver, copper, clay, glass, precious stones and semi-precious stones, these beads were used as adornments and served as symbols of status and wealth. Ancient texts and archaeological findings provide evidence of the sophisticated techniques used in bead making, showcasing the artisans' remarkable skills and creativity. Over time, the bead making art evolved, incorporating influences from various dynasties and cultures that flourished in India. Today, this rich tradition continues as artisans across the country still craft beads by hand, preserving ancient techniques while embracing contemporary styles. The diversity of Indian beads reflects the country's cultural richness, making it a unique and vibrant market for bead collectors and enthusiasts worldwide. This deep-rooted heritage underscores the significance of beads in India's cultural and artistic landscape, drawing visitors and buyers from across the globe to explore its colorful and dynamic bead markets. Nestled in the heart of Rajasthan, Jaipur stands out as the premier destination for bead enthusiasts and jewelry designers searching for the finest Indian gemstone beads. This city, renowned for its historical forts and exquisite palaces, also houses a vibrant market teeming with a wide array of beads that cater to all tastes and preferences. The famous gem market in Jaipur is a treasure trove for those pursuing unique and high-quality beads. From semi-precious stones to intricate glass beads, the market offers an unparalleled selection that attracts buyers worldwide. Artisans and traders in Jaipur have mastered the craft of bead making, drawing upon centuries-old techniques to create traditional and contemporary pieces. The dedication to quality and the sheer variety of beads available make Jaipur the best gemstone beads market in India for those looking to purchase authentic and exquisite Indian gemstone beads. Walking through the bustling lanes of Jaipur's bead markets, visitors can witness the vibrant culture and tradition of Indian beadwork, making it not just a shopping experience, but a journey into the heart of India's artisanal heritage. One top reason Jaipur is so famous for its beads is because of a special place called Johari Bazaar. This market is like a big treasure chest filled with all kinds of beads you can think of. People from all over come here to find beautiful beads made of gemstones. These aren't just any beads. They are made with great care and skill passed down for many generations. The artists in Jaipur know how to make beads that look amazing and last a long time. This is why when someone wants extraordinary beads, especially those made from gemstones, they think of Jaipur first. The city has earned its fame because it offers beads that you might not find anywhere else in the world. It's not just about the variety, but also the quality and the story behind each bead that makes Jaipur's market so special. When embarking on the quest for the perfect beads in India, a little preparation and knowledge can go a long way. Firstly, it's crucial to research and identify reputable markets and sellers, especially if you're seeking high-quality Indian gemstone beads. Jaipur, for instance, is renowned for its exceptional variety and craftsmanship. Understanding the market price for different types of beads can help you negotiate better and avoid overpaying. Additionally, examining the beads for quality is key. Look for uniformity in shape and color, and check for any cracks or chips. It's also beneficial to have a clear idea of what you need before shopping is also helpful to avoid getting overwhelmed by the vast selection. Don't hesitate to ask sellers about the origin and process of making the beads, as this can give you insight into their authenticity and value. Building relationships with trustworthy vendors can lead to better deals on beads and exclusive selections in future purchases. Lastly, always remember to explore multiple shops and stalls. Comparing selections can lead to discovering the best gemstone deals. For those in pursuit of wholesale gemstone beads, GemsBiz offers a vast and diverse collection to meet your every need. Catering to enthusiasts and professionals, our selection encompasses everything from semi-precious beads to precious stone beads, ensuring we can satisfy any design or crafting requirement. Whether you're looking to create an intricate beads necklace or add to your collection, GemsBiz provides access to a wide range of gemstone beads that capture the essence of Indian craftsmanship. Our inventory is carefully curated to include beads of various shapes, sizes, and colors, allowing for true customization and uniqueness in your projects. As a reputable source for authentic and high-quality beads, GemsBiz is your ideal online destination for securing the best in stone beads directly from India. Dive into our selection today and discover the perfect beads to bring your creative visions to life. Thanks for watching. For more information, visit our site, gemsbiz.com.